Hello navigator, do you know what is eNP-WMO stations and what is the difference between regular WMO stations and eNP-WMO stations? One is national service and one is dedicated for the maritime service. And the maritime one is called eNP-WMO stations and climatological reference from which you will get in the eNP guidelines. So let me show you in the ALRS volume how you will find this and the instructions from the ALRS volume itself. As you know, in the whole world there are so many meteorological observation stations like this. These are you will find almost in every country, and even within a single country there are many observation stations. Now let me show you from the dedicated one which is serving for the maritime industry. This is this one, eNP-WMO stations. Okay, if I go any of this, we will be able to read about the details. If we go to more details, now you see eNP-WMO stations are meteorological observation stations that have a climate information page in sailing directions. Reference to relevant page and NP number will be found at the bottom of the WMO station's detailed page. See example below, like this. Closely, the same sign here. So this indicates these are eNP-WMO stations. And it is saying here other WMO stations only contain physical details about the meteorological observation station. They are depicted on the WVS as a white cloud on a green background. See example below, like this. So all others are like this. This is what it is mentioned here. Okay. Station elevation. The elevation of the station is in meters. It is the datum level to which barometric pressure reports. So let me show you a little bit details that from where you will get this ENP reference. If you see in the details, also see Admiralty Sailing Directions book ENP 45 Mediterranean Pilot Volume 1 page 63. So if you want to read more about this information, even the page number is also mentioned and the pilot volume is also mentioned, so that you can get the details of weather. Now let's go to ENP and check it out. What are the weather details and climatological details mentioned in this ENP? So ENP 45, this is the one, Mediterranean pilot volume. Now let's go to page 63. How to go to page 63? You will search here, page 63. Now we are on page 63 and we can see the climatological data from which is assessed from 1984 to 2019. This is the 36 years period, various data, and like in the graph, so that you can compare if you need the very specific data for you. And here windows also mentioned, and you can see the station wind distribution 1000 local. That means 1000 times local observation were checked, so far I understood, and these windows were prepared. So this is helpful for you if you want to assess the climatological data to get the expected weather in this area. So that's it for today, and once again thank you so much for watching this video and hope to see you in next video.